Hello everyone, my name is Archana Prajapati and today we are going to do chapter 6 multiplication of our book Math Ladder for class 3. Today we'll complete page number 36. Let's see the first question. First question says multiply. We know multiplication, but there is one thing we have to look for. We have to look for the pattern. Now what do you mean by pattern? Pattern means एक चीज जो आप बार बार रिपीट करते हो उसे कहते हैं पैटर्न. सो लेट्स लुक एट द पैटर्न्स ओवर हियर. क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, इट सेज 16 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1. डू यू नो व्हाट इज 16 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1? यू रिमेंबर योर लास्ट रूल? मैंने आपको प्रीवियस चैप्टर में आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट अ रूल. व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई एनी गिवन नंबर बाय 1, व्हाट डू यू गेट? यू गेट द सेम नंबर. जो यहाँ पे नंबर होता है वही नंबर आपको यहाँ रिजल्ट में भी मिलता है, प्रोडक्ट में भी मिलता है, राइट? So 16 multiplied by 1 will give you 16. Very good. Now let's look at the pattern. Comma के बाद after comma we have got 16 over here again. 16 multiplied by 10. Now look for the pattern. Over here in 10 also I have got 1. So I'll again multiply 16 by 1 and what will I get? 16 again. But I have got 1 0 extra over here which is at the ones place. So at ones place I'll put a 0. What is my answer? My answer is 160. Got the pattern? Now let's go for the third category. Over here again I have got 16. I have to multiply it with 1. What is the answer? 16. And how many zeros I have? I have 0 at the ones place. I have 0 at the tens place. This is ones place and this is tens place and this is 100 place. So the number which is at the 100 place, I am multiplying it with 16 and I'll put 2 0 towards the end. So it becomes 1600. Got the pattern? Okay. Similarly, let's look at question number B. It says 23 multiplied by 1. Any number multiplied by 1 will give you the number itself which is 23. Very good. And now when I again multiply 23 with 10, first of all I'll multiply 23 with 1 which will give me 23. And since I have 1 0 at the ones place, I'll put 0 at the end of 23 also which will make it 230. Now let's again see the 100 place multiplication. Multiplication of the same number 23 with 100. When I multiply 23 with 1, what will I get? I will get 23. And I have got 2 zeros at ones place and tens place which I'll put it over here. The answer is 2300 which is 2300. Next question is 35 multiplied by 1 which will give me, yes, it will give me 35. Now 35 multiplied by 10 will give me 35 and I'll put 0 at the end, so it will make it 350. Now again 35 multiplied by 1 will give me 35 and I'll put 2 zeros towards the end which will make it 3500. Now the question number D, 47. 47 multiplied by 1 will give me 47. Now when I have to multiply with 10, I will multiply 47 with 1 which will give me 47 and for the ones place I'll put 1 0 and it will make it 470. Good. Now next question, next part, 47 multiplied by 100. Again multiply 47 with 1 and then 2 zeros the end which will make it 4700. Question E, part E says 58 multiplied by 1. The rule, any number multiplied with 1 will give me that number itself. So the answer is 58. Now 58 multiplied by 10. First of all, I'll multiply 58 with 1 which will give me 58. Then I'll put 1 0 towards the end which will make it 580. Now 58 multiplied by 100 which will give me 58 multiplied by 1 will give me what? It will give me 58 and I'll put 2 zeros towards the end for ones place and tens place, which will make it 5800. Now part F says 66 multiply by 1. Any number multiplied with 1 will give us the number itself. So the answer is 66. The answer is 66. Now 66 multiply by 10. First of all, I'll multiply 66 with 1, which will give me 66. And then for ones place, I'll put a 0 towards the end. So the answer will be 660. Now I have to multiply 66 with 100. First of all, what is the first step? I'll multiply 66 with 1, which will give me 66. And since I have zeros at the tens place and ones place, I'll put them at the back of my number, after my number. So it will become 6600. Part G says 74 multiplied by 1. What will be the answer? 74. Now if I multiply 74 with 10, again it will be 740. Yes, this time I took it direct, because now you know that we have to put 0 at the end. Now the next number is 74 multiplied by 100. Tell me what is the answer? It will be 7400. Very good. Now in this question, H part, we have to multiply 82 with 1. 82 multiplied by 1 will give us what? Yes, it will give us the number itself, which is 82. Now 82 multiplied by 10. 82 when multiplied by 1 will give us what? It will give us 82, and I'll put 0 at the end, which will make the answer as 820. Now 82 multiplied by 100 will give me 82, and then I will put 2 zeros towards the end, so the answer will be 8200. 93 multiplied by 1 will give me, yes, it will give me 93. Now 93 multiplied by 10 will give me, yes, I heard somebody telling me the answer. It is 930. Now if I multiply 93 with 100, the answer will be 9300. Very good. So you were very good with question number 1. Now let's see question number 2 on the same page, which is page number 36. Now again we have to look at the pattern and fill in the blanks. Now over here we have got first solution here only, okay? So let's solve it together. 16 multiplied by 2. Know the table of 2, right? 2 6 are 12, carry 1. 2 ones are 2, 1, 3. So the answer is 32. Now 16 multiplied by 20. So again we have to multiply 16 and 20, which we have already done over here. So it will give us 32 again. We'll put 1 0 for the ones place. This 0 will come here and will make the answer as 320. Now again let's see the third part. 16 multiplied by 200. Multiply it with 2, you will get 32, and put 2 zeros at the end. So which will make the answer 3200. 3200. Very good. Now let's solve question number B. Who wants to solve it with me? Take out your pencil and let's solve it together. Now the next question is 22 multiplied by 2. I'll do it over here, okay? 22 multiply by 2. We know our tables. 2 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Yes, the answer is 44. I can hear somebody telling me the answer. The answer is 44. Now again 22 multiplied by 2 will give me 44, and I'll put 1 0. The answer is 400. Yes, 440. Very good. Now part C says 22 multiplied by 200. So 22 multiplied by 2 will give me 44 and I'll put 2 zeros. So the answer will be 4400. Very good. Okay, now let's see next question, which is part C, 41 multiplied by 2. Now, when I multiply 41 with 2, what will I get? Let me do some work here. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So when I multiply 41 with 2, I'll get the answer as 82. Now, next part of the question says 41 multiplied by 20. When I multiply 41 with 2, I'll get 82. And then I'll put 1 0 at the back. So the answer will be 820. Is 0 okay? Yes, it is 820. Now, part C, part of the question C says 41 multiplied by 200. I'll again get 82 and I'll put 2 zeros at the back. So answer is 8200. Now we'll go for the D part. It says 13 multiplied by 3. Again, let's do the calculation. 13 multiplied by 3 will give me 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. And now 3 multiplied by 1 will give me 3. So the answer is 39. And now, when I multiply 13 with 30, what will be the answer? I've already got 39. So I'll write 39, put 1 0 at the back. So answer becomes 390. Now 13 multiplied by 3 will give me 39 again. And I'll put 2 zeros at the back. So answer will be 3900. Next part says 12 multiplied by 3. Let's do it together. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Now 3 ones are 3. 12 multiplied by 3 will give us 36. Okay. Now next part of question E says 12 multiplied by 30. So 12 threes are, we have already calculated it, is 36. We'll put 1 0 towards the end for the tens place. So answer is 360. Third part of question E says 12 multiplied by 300. Again 12 multiplied by 3 will give us 36. And we'll put 2 zeros towards the end. So the answer is 3600. F says 10 multiplied by 3. We already know this answer, right? Then 1 multiplied by 3 will give us 3. And we'll put 1 0 towards the end. So the answer is 30. 10 multiplied by 30 will give us 1 multiplied by 3 will give us 3. And how many zeros we have? We have 1 0 from 10 and we have 1 0 from 30. So how many zeros? 2 zeros. So the answer is 300. Now 10 multiplied by 300. So 1 multiplied by 3 will give us 3. And how many zeros we have? Let's count the zeros. 1, 2, 3. So how many zeros I'll put? Yes, 3 zeros. So the answer is 3000. Question G. I have to multiply 8 with 4. Do you remember what is 8? 8 is our multiplicand. And 4 is what? 4 is our multiplier. Let's read the table of 8 till the time we don't reach 4. Okay? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. So the answer is 32. Now 8 multiplied by 40, 8 fours are, we have already calculated, it is 32. So I'll write 32 and put 1 0 at the back. I'll put 1 0 at the back. So answer is 320. Now 8 multiplied by 4, 100 will give us what? Let's see, 8 fours are 32 and put how many zeros? 1 and 2, 2 zeros. The answer is 3200. Now part H says 11 multiplied by 4. You know the table, good, or else we can do some work here. 11 multiplied by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. What is the answer? It is 44. Now 11 multiplied by 40. When I multiply 11 with 4, I get 44 and I'll put 1 0. So the answer is 440. Now when I multiply 11 with 400, what is the answer I'll get? I'll get 44 and how many zeros? 2 zeros. So what is the answer? 4400. Okay, now last question. Part I says 9 into 5. You need to learn your tables, okay? Let's read the table together. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. I know my tables. Also learn it quickly, okay? Now, 9 multiplied by 50, 9 fives are 45. I have already calculated, so I'll write it quickly. And then how many zeros I need to put? I have to put 1 zero, so the answer is 450. Now, part C, part I, last part. 9 multiplied by 500, 9 fives are 45 again. 9 multiplied by 5 will give me 45. I'll put 2 zeros at the back. So the answer will be 4500. Okay. So kids, this is it for this page number 36. I'll see you in the video of next page, which is page number 37. Bye.